Okay, welcome to a alternative way to fix wrinkles in linoleum. Actually, this is not linoleum. It's something, but I don't know what. It has a paper backing on it. Now this toilet area was all wrinkled up, and I actually took the toilet out, peeled it all back, and put new glue down, you know, spread it the normal way with a spreader, and rolled it back out. Blah blah blah, and that came out fine. Over here though, it's got this beautiful cherry cabinetry, and I don't want to try to take this trim off unless I absolutely have to, lest it get all messed up. So what I'm doing is injecting glue and then using weight to hold it down, and it's experimental. I don't know if it's going to work, but I just go in at a bit of an angle, get right underneath it. There, it hit the wood, and then inject the glue right in there, like so. I've got 5 syringes ready. And it seems to be working okay. No traceable hole anyway, so if it doesn't work, at least it won't damage the floor covering. Just inject them right in there. Oops. Bad patient. There we go. Okay. Wipe off the excess. Smooth it around. Sure it gets distributed pretty good. Now I'll lay the brick on there and come back tomorrow and see how it worked. Okay, thanks for watching.